Hi everyone, I just got a portable greenhouse. I will follow the instruction to finish the installation. First, let's install the casters. This is the first and also the most basic step. Each caster has a plug which need to be pushed into the hole. There are 4 smooth rolling casters, 2 of which are with brakes to be locked. Push the long poles horizontally, short poles vertically, and get all the parts together. Each tier should be put with a grid string. Just push the poles into the holes. Do remember that poles should be pressed tightly and make sure that there won't be any gaps between the poles and holes. So it will be better if you can knock them. Finally, there's a PVC cover equipped with a roll-up zipper door. Put it on when needed. Finished. This is what I want for my balcony.